Alright, so Vito is back in the pool. He's continuing his efforts to try to apprehend his new toy. I think he's getting a little frustrated, getting in and out of the pool here. But he's trying to corral it, you know, with his paws. And he's using his mouth. The problem with that is that every time he tries to grab it, it just moves the ball over. But he is absolutely determined. He's going to get that damn ball if it's the last thing he does. But I think he has to develop a new strategy. He just got this ball about an hour ago, so it's still kind of new to him. I mean, it's no problem if it's on the ground, you know. Then he can grab it between his paws, and he can, you know, just barely get his mouth around it. Richard and I came up with the idea of getting a ball that was larger, that would present a little bit more of a challenge for Vito. I tried to get him a softball at Walmart, but I couldn't find any. So this was the kind of the closest thing I could come up with. This was probably a bit better than a softball because it floats. All right, so now Vito's barking. That means he's really frustrated. All right, hang in there, Vito. Come on. You know, he uses his paws very effectively. Oh, he almost got it. He almost got it. You know, what he's trying to do is pin it against the side of the pool. And, you know, I'm sure he'll perfect his technique and, you know, eventually he'll get it out of there. But, you know, I suspect that this is going to amuse him for several hours at least. It's kind of warm outside, so it's good for him to get in the water, cool off. It's in the 80s, and I think this is it's good for him in terms of controlling his temperature, but also it's keeping him busy and entertained. Originally, when we got the pool and filled it in water, Vito was very reluctant to get in there, but now it's now I'm going to lose him. He left. Vito, where are you going? Vito, come on. Vito, come on, back here. I'm going to get your ball. He's off and running. Vito. Okay, there you go. Good boy. All right, come on, get your ball. Get your ball. Come on. Look, it's right here. Here, I'll actually put it on the ground for you and prove to you that he can actually get it on in his mouth. There he goes. He has it. You see that? Whoops. All right, come on, Vito, get it. Get it. Come on, get in there. All right. Gotta give you a better angle. Whoops. There he is. As you can see, he's still perfecting his technique. He's not obviously very proud of himself. He's gotten the ball. He's using his paws and he's gnawing away on it. I'm not quite sure how long this ball is going to last, but he's having an enormous amount of fun with it so far. Hopefully it'll last. Rich and I will take it on our trip across the country to New Mexico. Hey, hello there. We have our neighbor came over to visit us.
Come on, little butterfly.
Okay, all right. Vito's going to take a break. You have a little. Here we go. Yep. There he is. He's chasing. Yeah. Well, It floats in the water, so it's a new experience for him.
Cool, huh? Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very good.
It's warm, so.
Excellent, excellent.
One of the other thoughts was to get the ball so that he'll jump in the water and cool off while we're doing this. All right, so get the ball. Where's the ball? Vito, here's the ball right over here. Come on, let's get this ball. Oh yeah. All right, okay. Like this is so funny. All right, go ahead, go Vito, go get it. He'll actually climb in there. Yeah, but he hasn't quite figured how to pin it down, you know. But he's.
Well, that's a very big ball. I don't blame you.
Yeah, I know. He's enjoying himself in the country. He loves running around the lawn. Yeah, look at this. He's off and running. Yes. You got some friends. Vito, where are you going? Where are you going? Come on. Get back over here. Come on, get back over here. All right, take care. We'll see you. Goodbye.